Hi, today we are going to change the chain and sprockets. Loosen these three bolts and remove the sprocket cover. It's HV5 Allen key. You need to knock back the locking tab. Tap on the rear brake to keep the wheel from spinning. If you are changing the front sprocket for the first time, it's better to use an impact brake. Put the bike on a stand and loosen the rear wheel. And remove the rear wheel. Loosen the bolts holding the rear sprocket. And remove the sprocket. Install the new sprocket, in my case 47 teeth, and tighten it to 80 Newton meters. Now we remove the front sprocket. Clean it and wipe it down. Install the new front sprocket. Sometimes it's a tight fit, so you might need to tap on it. According to the manual, the washers should be coated with engine oil. Put on the washers and the nut and tighten it slightly. Reinstall the rear wheel and break the old chain. I used an angle grinder since it was already stretched out and I won't use it. Remove the old chain. Bring the chain guide and install the new chain. Chose the D.I.D VX3 55 124 links with a larger rear sprocket. Prepare the master link, apply the supplies grease, the X-rings and rivet it together. Be careful, rings and grease must be applied to both sides of the chain. It's important that the rivet link is pressed to the same depth as other links. It's a good idea to use the calipers and measure it regularly. Once it's the same, we go ahead and rivet it. Tighten the front sprocket nut to 110 Nm while holding the rear brake and fold over the locking tab. Lightly tighten the rear axle and proceed to tension the chain. Once it's tensioned, tighten the rear axle to 105 Nm and we are done. For more content, like and subscribe. Thank you.